What is all this?
Fun stuff. Good morning! It's currently 5:30 in the morning. We are embarking on a journey. Where are we going?
We're going shooting.
We're gonna shoot some guns. I don't really know anything about guns, but he does.
It's a surprise. That's it. That's it. It's also a surprise.
Hallie, tell us your best joke.
Oh, I don't have jokes.
This joke is gonna really.
I'll retry this when it's not 5:30 a.m.
Hi, can I have a stack of hotcakes, please? Yeah, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. What do you want from me?
Hallie, tell us a secret about In-N-Out that no one knows since you work there.
Oh yeah. A couple years ago, a coworker got fired. He was at the window where you pay in the drive-thru, and then the next window handed out an order wrong, and so they just like put it on a counter. And this coworker decided to leave his position and go into the back room and start eating the order that got handed out wrong. And so then they found him, and then he got mad and threw a plastic bin at the wall.
I just imagine him like hunched over.
Me too, literally. He's like,
Go to church just to signify, trying to make a date with a neighbor's wife. Brother, let me tell you, just as sure as you're born, you better leave that woman alone. Go tell that lonesome liar, go tell that midnight rider, tell the devil little rambling.
Fame is in the front seat, trouble with the curb. Love is in the back seat, singing like a bird. Oh no, take me to the good life. Stranger on the mountain, hanging on your words. Walking in a nightmare, everything is blurred. Oh no, take me to the good times. Don't forget what you told me. I'm a wolf in sheep's clothing. Watching, waiting, my prey is praying. There's no escaping.
Nick, you're an expert shooter.
No.
What's the craziest thing that's happened when you've been shooting?
I was holding a gun like this, and I didn't know it was loaded, and I pulled the trigger, and it shot, and I peed my pants.
Were you wearing ear protection?
I was, thank the Lord.
That's good.
Yeah, I'd be deaf.
And the barrel was like right here, and it shot. And he was like, "I have to pee," and just literally just peed.
In the spaceship, crashing through the air. Devil in the details, snap is in your hair. Oh no, I can see the future.
It hit.
Taking out
Hold
the
it tight to your
picture,
shoulder.
drop it on your tongue. Down, breathe it in your lungs. Oh no.
Is that one in? Okay, so we can tell.
I just wasn't expecting it.
Squeeze your palms together so that when you're aiming, double action. You can just pull the trigger normally, and then it'll move this hammer back, and it'll be hard. It'll be hard to squeeze. Or you can cock the hammer back.
Should be like a gun teacher or something. Casey, what are you doing?
What?
That missed. Yeah, got it.
Oh, that one hurt.
Listen to this gun with a silencer. Homemade silencer.
I'm gonna shoot it supersonic first, meaning the bullets are gonna break the sound barrier, meaning that it's loud.
Whoa.
So the suppressor quiets the boom of the gun. That's the only thing it quiets, but you have to have subsonic ammo so that doesn't break the sound barrier. So listen to it now.
What the
Yeah.
heck?
Sounds like a little boy.
I don't know if you can even hear that, but it sounds literally like just a BB gun. It sounds like less than a BB gun.
He's like, yeah, you could shoot inside your home. No one would ever know. And then he would say, your buddy just right next to you just dropped and you wouldn't have any idea where it came from. It's like, geez, Grandpa.
Nick, remember that one time you almost shot yourself in the face?
I do remember that. Quite scary.
Oh, crap.
Nick! Come on!
Wow, I feel so cool.
Oh!
What do you do?
Well, let's just say, don't have coffee before you shoot a gun. Okay, so I'm holding the gun, following gun safety rules, holding it correctly, and on my last shot, I shifted my thumb up just a slightly bit too high, and the barrel popped back and ripped my nail off.
Hey! I got it. Yeah. Oh.
Shake for me, yeah. Hey,
I guess full. Well, we had a successful day shooting. I learned that I'm terrible at shooting and can't hit anything. Cass learned that you are supposed to be careful where your fingers are.
Yes.
And Hallie, what did you learn?
That John needs to be aware of other people's fingers.
For the picture, I closed the bolt on her bolt action, but I didn't see that her thumb was in the way.
Gracie, what about you?
To sleep more beforehand.
Oh, that is very important.
Oh man.
Overall, very fun. Not really my thing, but
I liked
still
it.
fun. Don't need to do that again for a while.
Oopsies.